Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be taking a quick look at the Arizona Handyman license. Now, in the state of Arizona, handyman laws are very specific. Work over $1,000 or that requires pulling building permits requires a contractor license. Anything under $1,000 that can be considered casual or minor in nature does not require a contractor license in Arizona. If you're in this position, you can apply for the R62 Minor Home Improvements Contractor License. It allows you to perform jobs under a set $5,000 limit, but electrical, plumbing, structural work, pool repair, masonry, HVAC, and concrete are not permitted under this license. So you can't do any trades associated with electrical, plumbing, structural work, pool repair, masonry, HVAC, and concrete. Now, the scope of work, and this is according to the Arizona Registrar of Contractors, includes remodeling, repairs, and improvements to existing structures or appurtenances. The contractor shall not perform structural work to any existing structures or appurtenances, including load-bearing masonry or concrete work, with the exception of on-grade flat work, and load-bearing carpentry work, with the exception of patio or porch covers. Any work related to electrical, plumbing, air conditioning systems, and boilers must be subcontracted to an appropriately licensed contractor. And again, that's straight from the Arizona Registrar of Contractors. Now, the basic requirements for this license are that you've got to be at least 18 years of age, you've got to have a valid driver's license or USAID, you'll need a social security number, and you've got to be established as a legal business entity. Now, in the state of Arizona, all licenses can be issued to either sole proprietorships, which are individuals, partnerships, limited liability companies known as LLCs, or corporations. Each entity must have what's called a qualifying party, and that means the person with the necessary experience, knowledge, and skills. And you have to be prepared just in case if the Arizona Registrar of Contractors asks to see proof of your experience. Now, how long does it take to get the R62 home improvement license in Arizona? The time frame fluctuates, but the general roadmap that you're going to follow is you're going to determine your classification, you'll apply for an examination date, you'll complete your background check, you'll form a legal business entity, and then you'll submit your application along with your passing score to the Arizona Registrar of Contractors. Now, you will need to pass one exam. It's the Arizona Business Management Exam. This is an Arizona construction law test. It's 180 minutes, it's 80 questions, you need a 70% passing score, and you get 3 attempts to pass the exam. Now, the topics on the exam include workmanship standards, business mathematics, Arizona Registrar of Contractor rules, AROC statutes, financial management, tax laws, liens, environmental regulations, business management, insurance and bonding, contracts, and safety. Now, for practice exams and different resources to help you prepare for this exam, you can check out the links in the description of this video. Now, the costs for an Arizona contractor license include an application fee, you'll pay a license fee, you'll pay into the recovery fund assessment, you'll pay the cost of a background check, and then you'll need a contractor bond and workers' compensation if you have employees. And then, of course, you'll cover the cost of testing fees. Now, you'll see a video up here that's going to be going over the most up-to-date Arizona contractor license costs, and I suggest you watch that video. This has been a quick look at the Arizona Handyman license. For additional information about other licenses in Arizona, bonding, trade skills, and more, check out our website. Like and subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. But again, this is digitalconstructive.com, and thanks again for watching.